Okay, boy. Yeah, okay. 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 Okay, boy. Okay. I was trying to tell the children at home that you can count. Can you count to 2? Show them. Oh, come on, boy. Stop all licking on me. Come on, that's enough. I know you love me. Come on, tell the boys and girls how you can count. Okay? Yeah, tell them. Okay? Can you count to 2? Try 2. Very good. Now count to 3. Very good. Can you do 4? I think one more, ain't it? Come on. Come on, stop. Start over. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. I know you love me, but okay. For the boys and girls, count to 4. Go ahead. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, here's a hard one. How about 4,422? Don't get mad at me.